Okay, then we go for part B. So all of these diagram, one set, and then drawing an arrow to another set. So all of these diagram we call arrow diagram, which you use in your Form 5 and Form 4 SPM. So this is the common things you see. But for our level, how we determine our relation is a function or not. So we can identify a function from the graph by using a vertical line test. So vertical line test is a garis menegak. So it's a garis menegak. Check for, is it your graph here or your relation here, is it one to one or many to one? So the graph is a function. If the vertical line draw parallel with the y-axis cut at only one point, when we draw our vertical line, it only touch my graph at only one point, no matter at what place. So it can be here, it can be here, it can be here. So di mana-mana saja. Kalau vertical line saya hanya memotong dalam satu titik sahaja, bermaksud for this relation x plus 1, it is a function. Okay, so for this relation x and 1, it is a function. Why it become like that? So we will go back to the basic here. So just now I said, for the domain here, x is our domain. For whatever value of x, we must come out a value of y. So for what value of x, it must come out a value of y. So it cannot a value of x come out of two value of y. So this is many to many, this or one to many, it cannot be a function. The only relation that can be function, you have one answer only. Okay, so means that for whatever value of x, so we take a vertical line test. So for a what value of x, so x, this is x-axis. For what value of x, I can see my graph here only point to me in one coordinate. So like at this point, this is a one value of x and one value of y. So this is a one-to-one function. So this is a function. So vertical line test is for you to test whether your x, for whatever value of x, is it you have only one value of y. So for, let's say, when you're doing vertical line test, so you can see for the value of x, I have two value of for this relation. So this relation, they graph it for you, they draw the graph for you for this value of x. It have two value of y, which is one point at here, 2, 2. Another one point at here is 2, negative 2. So you can see for one value of x, you have two value of y. So therefore, this graph is not a function because when you do your vertical line test, it intersect. When it intersect at 2 points, so this is not a function. So simple to say, if you want to test function or not, so you highlight if you want to test function or not, we use vertical line test. So that we can see our value of y, is it axis more than 1. So if it have 1 point, this is a function. If it intersect more than 1 point, so this is not a function.